We have gathered enough wood. Now it's time to build houses.
I can feel the ecstasy of Historica. It's awakening.
We can build a lumber camp to increase wood production.
The road.
Je construirai selon vos ordres.
Your Highness, please upgrade the town center. It's time to take a new step forward.
The Holy Sword is enlightening me. The hope of resurrecting its glory resides within the boundless sea. Whatever trials lie in wait, we must depart forthwith. Intrepid battle and triumphant conquest. These are the very things Historica desires. Yeah, a crown for the Empire! A crown for the Empire! The Holy Sword is awakening. I can sense its vigorous heartbeats.
It is...
Confiez-moi vos hommes, et vous serez couronnés de succès. Je me frayerai la voie par mon courage et ma détermination, comme je l'ai fait à Orléans face à l'envahisseur anglais. Ma mission est des plus essentielles, et je l'accomplirai au nom du Très-Haut.
A crown without swords is a mere ornament.
Yeah. Unissons nos forces! Messieurs, premier servi.
Our population is growing. We can build a mill to increase...